Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Fit Me for Life, a place you will find tips and inspiration for a balanced life and learn how to make a house a home, no matter how much we're blessed with in life. I am your host, Stephanie, and I'm here to show you how a happy mom makes a happy home. So guys, today we are making chicken shawarma. Aren't you excited about that? I am so excited. I know I'm gonna love it and my kids are gonna love it. This is the first time we actually do it in this house. And who doesn't like chicken? Who doesn't like bread? Everybody loves, like most people love bread and a little bit of vegetables. It's perfect. Chicken shawarma is originally from the Middle East. I was first introduced to it when I was back home in Cameroon in around 2016. I remember when I was back home in the 1990s, when I was growing up, it wasn't a thing. I had never heard about chicken shawarma, if I'm pronouncing it correctly. When I went there in 2016, everybody ate that. It was in every corner of the street. You know, it was a big thing, and I think it still is a big thing. So I tried it, and it was delicious. And chicken shawarma, I think they do it all the Lebanese. They do it on like sticks, and they braise it. It just braise the whole time. It's always like it's hot, and it's very good. It's a very um, tasty street food. So I decided to do it myself at home with what I have. And chicken shawarma, it's a very simple food to cook or to prepare. What I think is most important is that you marinate your chicken or whatever meat you're using, marinate overnight. So I prepare my chicken and I put it in the fridge overnight. And some of the spices that are very important to use in your marinade, things like orange juice, lemon juice. I didn't have lemon juice, unfortunately, so I used lime juice, which is okay. And there's a lot of hot spices, like warm spices, like cinnamon.
As you can see here, I'm using a lot of spices such as paprika, cumin, cardamom, garlic, white pepper. All these spices are important to make the chicken taste really good. And don't worry if I don't mention all of the spices. I'll have a link of the recipe under the description.
So your chicken needs a lot of spice, and that's what makes it so tasty.
The next day, I put my chicken out of the fridge and so it could be at room temperature when it's time to cook, to be in the oven. The next thing was to prepare the sauce that goes on top of the shawarma, and this sauce is made out of
Greek yogurt, cucumber, garlic, and salt. Mix everything together and left it in the fridge. Meanwhile, I put my chicken in the oven to start cooking. While the chicken was in the oven cooking, I prepared my naan bread. So those flat breads, I prepare mine, but I did not put the way I prepare it. If you're interested to know how it is made, the bread, let me know. I can make a separate video on how to do it. It's very simple. I can show you how. While your chicken is in the oven cooking, you cut all your vegetables, tomatoes, more cucumbers, onions. I actually did pickled onions that makes it a little tangy. When the chicken is prepared, just make sure that when you take it out of the oven, you don't cut through immediately, because then you will lose a lot of the juice, the chicken juice. Just leave it to cool down for about 5 minutes and cut your chicken. And when your chicken is ready, your vegetables are ready, you have your sauce, you have your bread ready, it's time to assemble. And assembling is very easy. You can do whatever you want, but you put your bread, you put your chicken, your vegetables, and your sauce, and you eat it. Do you know you can also eat it without the bread? You can use quinoa instead of bread. You just put the chicken on top of it, you put your vegetables, and then you put your sauce. You eat it with rice, and it's also good to accompany with like some kind of vegetable salad, like some kind of Greek salad. All of it together makes the perfect meal. And if you try it, please let me know, send me some pictures, because it's also a very beautiful meal when you take pictures. So let me know what you think about this meal, if you like shawarma. Thank you guys for stopping by again. If you are new, welcome to the family. If you are an old visitor, you're a subscriber, I thank you for being there and sticking out with me. So thank you guys. I hope you like this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, because it's important for my channel, and I appreciate every little like that you give, every little subscription that comes in, and thank you guys again. All right, I'll see you on my next video, which is pretty soon. Bye bye.